Are you ready, Jed?
Yes po.
Okay, today is your third quarter test in spelling 2. Write the word, then spell it for me, okay?
Okay po.
Number 1, last. Last in line. Last. Spell.
L-A-S-T.
Number 2, brisk. Brisk, walk. Very good. Nice writing.
B-R-I-S-K.
Number 3, luck. Best of luck. Like good luck.
L-U-C-K.
Number 4, phone. Cell phone. Phone. You write very nice.
P-H-O-N-E.
Number 5, graph. Line graph. Graph.
G-R-A-P-H.
Very good. Number 6, trash. Trash can. Trash. Trash. Okay, spell.
T-R-A-S-H.
Very good. Number 7, chess. Chess game.
C-H-E-S-S.
Number 8, which? Which one? Which one is your favorite food?
W-H-I-C-H.
Number 9, rain. Rain forest. Rain.
R-A-I-N.
Number 10, stay. Stay home. Stay.
S-T-A-Y.
Move little bit. Okay, number 11, king. King, here, 11, here. King. King and queen. King.
K-I-N-G.
Number 12, think. Think. Think fast. Think.
T-H-I-N-K.
Very good. Number 13, church. In church. Let's go to church. Church.
C-H-U-R-C-K-H.
Okay, very good. Number 14, repeat church. Spell for me.
C-H-U-R-C-H.
Okay, number 14, knock. Knock at the door. Knock.
K-N-O-C-K.
Number 15, sign. Stop sign. 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 Okay.
I can do it.
Yeah, you can. Go. Go. It's correct. Sign. Okay, spell.
SIGN.
Very good. Read again.
Last wish, clock, phone, grab, trash, just, rich, wait, stay, king, think, judge, knock, sign.
Very good. Did you understand?
Yes po.